that we are celebrating and marking the 75 years of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's crossed yet another milestone in his landmark-filled journey as a Pradhan Sevak, as a Jan Sevak, as he's now turned 75 today. Wishes that has been pouring in for the leader who once was a chai wala tea seller, then went on to become the Pradhan Sevak of the world's largest democracy, a journey that has been marked with dedication to serving the nation and its people. Now, on the occasion of his 75th birthday, this sense of seva, however, remains as the head of the celebrations. When it comes to Prime Minister Narendra Modi today, would be visiting the state of Madhya Pradesh, where he is expected to launch the largest ever health outreach for women and children in the country. The Prime Minister, who is expected to launch two campaigns, which is the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar and the 8th Rashtriya Poshan Ma at around noon. He will also be laying the foundation stone and will be launching several other initiatives and would be addressing a gathering at this occasion. Now, as part of the campaign, which would be organized from the 17th of September till the 2nd of October, over 1 lakh health camps that would be set up in government facilities across the country. The Prime Minister, who would also be launching the Adi Seva Parv for Madhya Pradesh, a series of service-oriented activities, especially in the tribal regions. Now, like this year, previous birthdays of the Prime Minister that have also been marked with a focus of service of Sabka Saath. Let's take a look back as far as when it comes to the Prime Minister, how he rang in his birthday in the last few years. Because as Prime Minister Narendra Modi turns 75 today, we'll explore how he has transformed his birthday celebrations into a showcase of public service and welfare initiatives that reflect his commitment to the nation rather than personal festivities. Let's take a look exactly when it comes to the initiatives that has now been taken up by the Prime Minister on the occasion of his birthday 2025 this year, as we focus on the largest ever health outreach for women and kids as far as the Prime Minister, who would be present in the state of Madhya Pradesh today, and there he will be launching the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar and would be launching the 8th Rashtriya Poshan Ma as well, the program that is expected to begin around noon. Let's talk about 2024. Last year on the 17th of September, the Prime Minister interacted with the beneficiaries of PM May Yuva that was also launching projects over 3,800 crores in the state of Odisha. The year previous to that, that was in 2023, the Prime Minister thereafter announced the PM Vishwakarma Yojana and also a scheme to enhance skilling of craftsmanship. Now, when it comes to a year before 2023, that is 2022, 8 cheetahs that were released into MP's Kuno National Park, if you remember, as far as when the Prime Minister himself was present there a few days later. Then in 2021, the peak of COVID time, we're looking at over 2.26 crore COVID vaccines that were administered on the occasion of the Prime Minister's birthday. So as far as his birthday celebrations are concerned, we are seeing how it is marked when it comes to seva, reaching out to the people, and of course when it comes to public welfare, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas continues to be the main initiative. Let's get connected with Tetri, my colleague who is joining us live here on the broadcast. Tetri, good morning. 75 years today as a Prime Minister is now marking his birthday. World leaders have been wishing him, multiple leaders from within the country are wishing him. But of course, when it comes to the Prime Minister himself, he is known rather to make all of these occasions not about himself, but rather about the people. Jan Seva is something that he continues to do so.
Well, absolutely, Jan Seva, this is the priority of Prime Minister when it comes to his birthday, and that's the Seva Pakhwada that is celebrated and launched every year on his birthday. So today is 75th birthday. Big day today. Here we are reporting in the national capital, in the heart of national capital as well, because it is the India Gate where we are reporting from. In the visuals, we'll be showing you that how here, this Seva Pakhwada will be celebrated. The Delhi government over here has organized the Seva Pakhwada, where the blood donation camp is being organized. People will be coming over here. They will be donating their blood. And then, in fact, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, will be participating in this blood donation camp, because that's the Seva Pakhwada. And as you were rightly mentioning, Amita, that's the slogan given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas. So these all things will be kept in mind today as well. And today, Prime Minister is all set to visit Madhya Pradesh. there he is going to launch several projects, but important will be the focus on women's health, because there he will be launching is Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar. That is the program today that he will be launching. That is one of the biggest program for healthcare as far as women are concerned. Ayushman Bharat was also launched by Prime Minister Modi. If we take a look back on the major programs that were launched on Prime Minister's birthday, that is also very much important. If we have a look, if we have a look
that Tetri, as far as when it comes to the last 5 years itself, what the Prime Minister has done, like every year, even as Tetri is reporting live, the Bharatiya Janata Party is expected to launch the Seva Pakhwada, which is a fortnight of events across the country marking the Prime Minister's birthday celebrations, which showcase his commitment to the citizen welfare and service to the mankind. Now, born as Narendra Damodar Das Modi on the 17th of September 1950 and the town of Mehsana in Gujarat, he thereafter served as the state's chief minister for 3 consecutive terms and is now currently holding the position of the Prime Minister since the year 2014. Let's now listen in to some of the ministers within his own cabinet who are now reflecting on their experiences on working closely with the Prime Minister himself.
After 2014, India has changed the way in which we function as a nation, and as a responsible nation, we have stood up, we are standing tall and carrying the legacy of our great civilization, our heritage, our culture, and the soft power as well as the hard power which India projects in the world has changed people's perception, the global perception of India. So we all wish Modi ji happy birthday and also pray for his good health and long life.
My congratulations to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji on his birthday. We are truly blessed to have a leader like Prime Minister Modi leading the nation as we power on to become a developed and prosperous nation. Prime Minister Modi, through his astute leadership and through his vision to make India a superpower, has ensured over the last 24 years in government, first as Chief Minister of Gujarat and the last 11 years as the Prime Minister of India, to make sure that the nation's resources go to meet the needs of 140 crore Indian, focus on the poorer sections of society, the last man at the bottom of the pyramid. And this inclusive growth, this effort to make sure that no child is deprived of food, clothing, shelter, healthcare, education, basic infrastructure needs, power in his home, water, cooking gas for the sisters and mothers, to make sure there's a toilet in every home. His effort to make sure that every child born in India has a good quality of life is very, very inspirational. And I truly feel blessed that I got a chance to work under him.
So as far as the BJP is concerned, it would be celebrating nationwide with those initiatives, including health campaigns, community services, cultural events and health outreach. That is going to be Prime Minister's today's program when he will be visiting the state of Madhya Pradesh. और मकरंद हमारे साथ वहीं से जुड़ गए हैं। मकरंद, अक्सर हमने देखा है कि जब किसी का जन्मदिन होता है तो उसी उत्सव मनाने में लोग उन्हें जिसका जन्मदिन होता है उसे तोहफा देते हैं, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जब अपना जन्मदिन मनाते हैं तो वो लोगों के लिए तोहफा लेकर आते हैं साथ में। तो क्या सौगात लेकर आ रहे हैं अपने 75वें जन्म दिवस पर लोगों के लिए, जहां तक अगर मध्य प्रदेश की बात की जाए?
देखिए, मध्य प्रदेश के लिए बड़ा दिन है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी अपना जन्मदिन मध्य प्रदेश में आकर मनाएंगे, तो मध्य प्रदेश के लिए जाहिर सी बात है कि काफी महत्वपूर्ण सौगातें भी वो लेके आएंगे। इससे पहले जब वो मध्य प्रदेश में अपने जन्मदिन के दिन आए थे तो उन्होंने चीतों की सौगात दी थी, और आज एक मित्र पार्क की सौगात देंगे। मित्र पार्क इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है, खासतौर पर मध्य प्रदेश के लिए। और मित्र पार्क के अलावा महिलाओं के लिए तमाम योजनाओं का शुभारंभ करने वाले हैं, और उन योजनाओं का मैं आपको नाम बताऊं: स्वस्थ नारी सशक्त परिवार अभियान, राष्ट्रीय पोषण माह, सुमन सखी चैट बॉक्स और आदि सेवा पर्व। इसमें आदिवासियों के लिए और तमाम महिलाओं के लिए भी योजना होगी, और मातृवंदन योजना की 10 लाख रुपए की किस्त भी लाभार्थियों को मिलेगी। इसके अलावा एक बगिया मां के नाम अभियान में समूह की महिलाओं को पौधे भी भेंट किए जाएंगे। तो इस तरह के तमाम प्रोग्राम्स आज मध्य प्रदेश से लॉन्च होने वाले हैं, और कुछ योजनाओं का लाभ भी जो महिला, खासतौर पर आदिवासी महिलाएं हैं या ग्रामीण महिलाएं हैं, उन महिलाओं को ये लाभ मिलेगा। मध्य प्रदेश के लिए महत्वपूर्ण इसीलिए भी है क्योंकि यहाँ पर इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट के लिए पहले भी डॉक्टर मोहन यादव जो मुख्यमंत्री है, उनके मुख्यमंत्री बनने के बाद जो फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम मैं कहूँ सरकार का बन गया है, वो है इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट का। और इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट को लेकर के विदेश यात्रा भी मुख्यमंत्री की है। मध्य प्रदेश के बाहर अलग अलग राज्यों से इन्वेस्टर्स को बुलाया है। तो ऐसे में प्रधानमंत्री का यहां पर आकर मित्र पार्क यानी इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट के लिए एक पूरा एरिया डेवलप करने की जो बात लगातार सामने आ रही है, वो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, खासतौर पर मध्य प्रदेश के डेवलपमेंट के लिए। तो ऐसे में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी का जन्मदिन है, और साथ ही साथ आज मध्य प्रदेश
देश का दिल कहा जाता है, और उसी देश के दिल में आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी खुद पहुंचेंगे। दोपहर का वक्त बताया जा रहा है 12 बजे के करीब। एज फार एज व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑल ऑफ दीज इवेंट्स that are being intensified with nationwide campaigns that are also seeking to provide women-centric preventive, promotive and also curative health services at the community level as well. Makrand, हम लौटेंगे आपके पास। आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। As far as wishes that continue to be extended, of course, when it comes to the chief ministers of the state, that are also wishing Prime Minister Narendra Modi the best of health, and of course, on the occasion of his 75th birthday today.
एमपी के मन मोदी, मोदी के मन में एमपी, ये सदैव परिलक्षित होता है। उनकी अपनी सभी प्राथमिकताओं में से माता बहनों की ज़िंदगी में और बेहतरी हो, इस दिशा में उनकी पहली प्रायोरिटी होती है। इसलिए स्वस्थ नारी सशक्त परिवार, इस भाव के आधार पर उन्होंने एक नया अभियान चालू करने के लिए अपनी 17 तारीख से 2 अक्टूबर तक एक अभियान की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का पूरे देश के साथ जो लगाव है, मैं मान के चलता है एमपी के साथ थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही है। मैं अपनी बाबा ओंकारेश्वर से कामना करता हूँ वो अपने इसी प्रकार के कामों के लिए लगातार उनको आशीर्वाद देते रहें, और उनके निगाह में मध्य प्रदेश कदम से कदम मिला के डबल इंजन की सरकार के साथ देश की बेहतरी में, आत्मनिर्भरता के और स्वदेशी के अभियान में वो सहगामी रहेगा। मैं मध्य प्रदेश की ओर से उनका पलक पावड़े बिछाकर सरकार की ओर से भी स्वागत करता हूँ। उनके आगमन की हमको प्रतीक्षा है, और आकर के वो इस पूरे अभियान की शुरुआत करें, तो मैं उनका एक तरह से हृदय से आभार भी मानता हूँ।
First of all, I'd like to offer my deepest gratitude to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for leading the country in such a way. We have become 4th largest economy. We have become an important powerhouse in world politics. I'd like to specially thank Prime Minister Modi for what he has done to the Northeast region. Now people in the mainland of India respect and love the people of Northeast, all because of the transformative leadership of our Prime Minister. I want to offer him deep gratitude and wants to pray to Ma Kamaikha for his long life, not only long life, active long life, so that he can lead us for many more years to come.
भारत के सर्वाधिक यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी को मैं बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं। मोदी जी का जो विजन है, गरीब कल्याण का जो एजेंडा है, युवाओं को अधिकारिता देने का जो मिशन है, इसके कारण भारत नई ऊंचाइयों पर आज जा रहा है, नई ऊंचाइयों को छू रहा है। आज मुंबई की बदली हुई तस्वीर में मुंबई का कोस्टल रोड हो, मुंबई की मेट्रो हो, मुंबई का अटल सेतु हो, नई मुंबई का एयरपोर्ट हो, ये सारे मोदी जी के विजन के कारण संभव हो पाए। महाराष्ट्र के कोने कोने में आज आपको इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का काम दिखता है, ये केवल इसलिए संभव हुआ कि मोदी जी की विजन हमारे साथ है। और मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि विकसित भारत में विकसित महाराष्ट्र ये सबसे बड़ा योगदान देगा और मोदी जी के सपने को हम पूरा करेंगे, ये मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
So as we say, that birthday wishes are pouring in for the Prime Minister.